Today I'm gonna show you how to build smashers, how to put them back together. Okay, so you will need masking tape. Say good morning, boys.
Good morning,
So very quickly I will show you. You need the masking tape like this, lying down on the table, facing up, or maybe not. Then you just stick the middle part over there. Okay, then get the second part, the piece on the other eye, lock it like that, nice and easy. Get the other part, nice and easy, lock it like that. So you will need the Smasher logo facing up with this one, that way, see? Okay.
Good morning, guys.
Later, wait. Don't say good morning.
Morning, guys.
Don't disturb daddy.
Morning, guys.
That is serious. Okay, wait. Don't say wait. So you get the other piece of the smasher, the fourth piece, and you lock it like that. So now you have the fifth piece, the end bit. This is the tricky part. You know what I'm saying? Wait. No, wait. So you slide it slowly, gently. Okay, and once it's inside, you put your finger or your nail to pull it up while you're pushing it inside. So it's a tricky one. Okay, so watch and now. But slowly and surely. Come on, man. Don't embarrass me, man. Ah! Maybe I got the wrong end. Then slide, slip and slide. Wow!
You did it?
Yes, I did it. So just
Good morning, guys.
take
Good
off,
morning, guys.
the last piece. Peace out.
Good morning, guys. I have done. Morning, guys.
Subscribe.